Self-development is the best investment. I agree with this quotation. Why? Kasi yan ang ginawa ko, friends, when I was a working student. I enrolled and finished a 4-year course, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. As a result, naging government employee ako. After which, I enrolled Master in Business Administration. As a result, naging part-time college professor ako. And then I enrolled and joined Toastmasters Club of Davao. As a result, naging resource speaker ako sa mga seminars and webinars. And I continue to learn and develop myself. I read business books. As a result, I become what I am today, a business owner. Hence, self-development is the best investment. 2 thumbs up.